If you want giant Christmas ornaments, you can buy them for 30 bucks a piece, or you can make them yourself. I'll show you the simplest and cheapest way to make giant hanging Christmas ornaments that you can collapse and store away and reuse for years. First, go to Walmart and load up a cart full of these $2 rubber balls. You might be tempted to grab some balls with designs on them like this one. Tip number 1, don't. It's exactly what this person did, and if you hang that on a tree, it just looks like a ball stuck in a tree. Tip number 2, choose the right colors. You're not going to fool anyone with purple balls. Metallic colors work best, otherwise stick to common ornament colors like red or blue. Get some bowls or cups to use as the ornament caps. Tip number 4, make the cap look proportionate to the size of the ball. For 12 or 18-inch balls, use plastic bowls about 6 inches in diameter. For 8 or 10-inch balls, use the bottom half of plastic cups. And don't use anything that's not round, like this. Now grab a can of gold or silver spray paint. Finally, you'll need some coat hangers, which you probably have hanging in your closet. Now, you'll notice I haven't mentioned anything about silicone or glue. This is tip number 5 and the most important tip of all if you plan to hang your ornaments. Silicone does not stick well to vinyl, which is what these balls are made of. Paint the bowls or cups gold or silver. Once the paint is dried, make a hole in the middle big enough for a coat hanger to go through. Straighten a coat hanger and cut it into lengths around 12 inches. Wet the coat hanger with water or liquid soap and insert the coat hanger into the ball's inflation hole. You have to lubricate the coat hanger, otherwise this could happen if the valve gets dislodged. Finally, install the cap and bend the coat hanger into a hook. Now your ornaments are ready to be hung. After Christmas, you can simply deflate the ornaments and put them away for next year.